Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction Mahzooz 10 September 22. 1 to 10, 5, 6, 9 and 10. On previous result 2, 8, 14, 16, 34. I said 2 or 3 row no number. This row number have, this row number have, this row no number, this row no number. 2 number here 14, 34. This draw also continuous number chance, same like this. 11 to 20, 11, 30, 17, 19 and 20. 21 to 30, 22, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 31 to 40, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. This row 1 or 2 number chance have. 41 to 49, 45, 46, 48. This is my prediction number. These two chance have this draw, skip a number or continuous. I explained last video how to come. 28, 38, 48, 29, 39 chance have. 26, 36, 46 chance have. 30 to 40, 2 or 3 number chance have. This is O Millionaire old result. This is Mahzooz result. This is last result of O Millionaire. Here 14. Mahzooz 14. 12. O Millionaire result. Mahzooz also 12. Here two numbers same. 30, 37. 30, 37. 2, 7. 2, 7. 9, 21. 9, 21. Here 11. Mahzooz result 11. 12. O Millionaire result. Mahzooz result 12. 40, 40. Just matched on number. And also O Millionaire result 15 plus 1 16 plus 1 15 plus 1 16. Here 23 plus 1 24. Here already two number 30 37. Here 37 minus 1 36. Here two number already match. Also 8 minus 1 7. And here 17 minus 1 16. Here 17 minus 1, 16. O millionaire and Mahzooz result just match on number and another number just different. If you choose number, just check O millionaire result also. This is new O millionaire result today. If selecting number, just check this result 2 and 8. On number may be repeat. 23 or 32, 13 or 31 also chance have. Thanks for watching.